Good morning, Eastside Grizzlies, and welcome to another digital whole school meeting.
All right, Grizzlies, there's going to be no school this Monday, the 28th. Study for your finals and catch up on your sleep. All right, juniors, we are not at testing season yet. We still have one more test, the CASP, which is going to be happening this week. Make sure to try on this exam because it's very important for colleges to look at.
Congratulations to your new president, Kevin Lin, your new vice president, Lindsay Perez, your new secretary, Jessica Perino, and your new treasurer, Rodrigo Martinez, all of them who have won their officer election.
This week's lunch event is a water balloon toss this Friday during lunch.
Thank you for coming and supporting your senior committee, and congrats to the winner.
Congratulations to the winning team because it was a tie. The final score was 4-4, and thank you for all the people who came to support the senior class and all the staff members.
Seniors, make sure you turn in your volunteer hours by May 31st, and make sure you turn them in to Miss Elguia.
Hasta la vista, baby.